Damn, Spancy.
What up, what up, what up? It's your boy AB, man, back in that thing with another video, man. Today's episode, I'll be going to an event. I think it's called EC Mopar car show, man, out in, man, I can't even remember the fucking name, but sorry, but I will be going there right now. Right now, as you see, I'm at the gas, getting some gas right now, man. Just a little bit, man, just to make sure I got some gas. Man, your boy's on the grind, man. Non-stop, man. I'm just keep applying pressure, man. Giving y'all content that y'all want to see, that y'all enjoy from day to day or day after the next day, man. But if you just tuning in, man, to the channel, man, make sure you hit that share, like, and subscribe button. Post notification bell on all so you can get the latest updates and contents to the videos that your boy drop. Okay. Day to day or day after the next day. But anyway, man, just guys, man, just stay tuned, man. It's supposed to be a little vlog, man. I hope y'all see some nice cars. Well, I hope I see some nice cars. I'm hoping to rub shoulders and elbows with people and network a little bit, man. Get my name out there a little bit more, man. I'm just standing on the grind for you guys, man. I hope y'all appreciate it, man. I really love the support and the support and love that you guys been giving me, man. Until then, man, I'm gonna keep rocking, man, for you guys, man. And just stay tuned till I get there.
Man, I just got the gas. I'm about to get on I-55, man. I'm gonna give y'all a little footage of me driving. Man, I almost ran over a big ass tire. But anyway, man, I'm moving through traffic pretty good. Oh man, what did I just do, guys?
In half a mile, take a slight right turn to merge onto I-55 south towards St. Louis.
I made the wrong turn, but it got me a little couple of minutes off, which is cool. I like that. Got me a couple of minutes off, but yeah, your boy's on his way, man, to this car show, man. Ooh,
Use the right lane to take a slight right turn to merge onto I-55 south towards St. Louis.
you almost hit me.
Take a slight right turn.
I'm on my way, man. I'm on my way up there, so y'all just stay tuned. What up, man? It's your boy AB, man. We just pulled up at the event. Got Off-Road Al here. We got CJ on 32s. We got Stunner. We got Catfish. We got a bunch of people up here, man. We just pulling up here, man. I'm waiting on Swervo to come. Trying not to get copyrighted, so I don't want to get the music in the background. But CJ on 32 just pulled up on in the CT8. So once y'all take a look at it, the C8. So just take a view at it. Hey, K, you about to get to work today. I'm next after him. Then Swervo, then then Al, then Hey, we about to put Catfish to work right now, you know what I'm saying? Got my boy Stunner Reese in the house, man. How you feeling, baby?
It is, man. Out here with AB and that thing. Make sure y'all subscribe to this channel, man.
Yes, man.
Hopefully this damn copyright don't kill us today.
I know, man. I'm hoping not, man. I'm trying to stay away from it.
Right.
What's going on, Cat, man? Go ahead and shoot it out for me, baby.
What?
Man, just tell him, man. Don't tell me no what.
Catfish Corner on YouTube and Master Detail is on Instagram.
Oh, for a while. Y'all off work today now, huh?
That's right. It's drinking time.
Oh, you already know what time it is, baby.
Do me a favor.
Hey, guys, man, just stay tuned, man. Your boy right here.
Next to you, man.
Got CJ again. I know that music, right? So try not to get copyrighted, man. Just stay tuned to the next, and then I'm gonna show you Swervo car when we pull it up. All right, cool. Gonna get out the car this time, man. Gonna get out the car this time, man. Goddamn. So last time you didn't get out the car last time.
I had some shit going on.
What's going on, baby? How you feeling, man?
I'm good.
I had to talk to you from the last video. I wanted to know what made you go with the concept and who did it and who rapped it for you and shit, man.
Well, when Kobe and Gianna died, man, I was like heartbroken. I was gonna rap the Carter story great, but you know, the whole thing was a lot of people knew Kobe as a basketball player, but when he died, we saw a whole nother side of him that nobody really knew.
Yeah.
And I had even more respect for him. So when he passed, I didn't even know that his daughter passed. I found out about that later.
Oh, wow.
So, you know, everybody was heartbroken over it. So I said, you know what? I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it for Kobe and Gianna. You know?
Man, that's dope, man. Like when I first saw it last week, man, I was like, I said, I love it, bro. I love it, man. The whole concept, man, is dope, bro.
I'm just steady working on it, man. You know, it's just I'm just another car dude that hit his niche. That's all, you know.
Yeah.
But the thing is, the fact that it's Kobe, everybody loved him. You know?
Yeah.
Now the question of the day is, if I had did a mic rap,
I don't think it would have hit as hard.
Exactly.
It wouldn't hit as hard, bro.
you know.
I love it, bro.
So
I love it, man.
appreciate
Yep. Yep, this is your boy AB, man. I'm back, man. Got Catfish, man, doing some work to Scrappy right quick. I'm gonna show y'all some footage. Just take a look at it.
See, there's something on the door. I gotta get that too. I gotta clean the door first. See, when I clean it, you'll be able to see. There's something on this door. I see what you do. I gotta clean the door first.
My boy is letting it go. He is letting it go. I didn't think he'd do it. I didn't think he'd do it, but he made the big announcement that Scrappy will be leaving, man. How you feel about Scrappy leaving, man?
Man, I don't feel good at all, man. You know what I'm saying? I really want to keep it, man. I really want to just collect all the cash and then just refund it all back to everybody.
Oh,
That's
man.
like an April Fool's joke, a late April Fool's joke.
Man.
But no, I'm going to go ahead and let it go.
I know you have so much fun in this bad boy, man. I be
Wait
seeing
till
you.
y'all see me leave about this, man.
Yeah, man.
Drizzy with it.
Yeah, this one of his favorites, man. Yeah, man. He has so much fun in this one, man. So, yes. Catfish getting that work in, baby. Yes.
Smell that.
Okay. That's that sauce. That's that sauce.
I ain't telling Stunner what it is.
That's that sauce.
I ain't telling Stunner what it is.
I'm gonna pull Catfish to the side and get the secret to the secret sauce that he using. So y'all just stay tuned for that. I might let y'all guys know if he tell me the secret, but he said he ain't telling me, but I'm gonna get it out of him, guys. Y'all just stay tuned to that, all right, it's your boy AB, man. They finally cut the music off for a second, man, so us YouTubers could record, man, but It's a great album that they had right now, man. It's a bunch of cars out here, man. Nice whips. Can't ask for a better day, man. It's nice, man. I'm feeling good. I think I look good. Got a little slight drip on, you know what I'm saying? I hope all is well with y'all families, man. Like I always say before, man, if you're just tuning in, make sure you hit that share, like, and subscribe button. I keep saying that, man, trying to get my subscribers up and stuff like that, man. I'm just out here grinding, man. Got my gang out here, man. CJ, Swervo. We got a bunch of whips out here, man. I showed y'all a couple of them. Oh, man, I want y'all to take a look at the slingshot that I was looking at. Let's take a look at it. Yeah, I like it.
So if you get stuck in the rain,
you won't get wet too quick.
I've never seen that.
Yeah.
Now these slingshots are making it an automatic.
Yeah. I thought you said Roland Sean. Oh, that's him?
Yeah.
Where he at?
It's Mr. Copyright pulling up.
Man, where you see him at? You see him?
In the house.
I thought you said Mr. Copyright. Right?
Mr. Copyright himself. Oh, hey, you don't know who's recording?
Hey, his music. Him and Monty though. Monty do it all the time, don't he, CJ?
Yeah.
Oh, there you go. Yep. Woo. I like this one.
That shit sounds sick.
Don't do him like that. Don't do him like that. Yeah, man, we just up here chilling, man. Just giving y'all a little footage, man. Just stay tuned, man. I'm about to go get my food, man, with Off-Road Al, because the boy is hungry. Just stay tuned, all right? That's your boy AB, man. We just leaving the event. It was decent, you know what I'm saying? Nice little turnout, but we're about to ride downtown. Yeah, we're about to take a little ride, man. Cruise the city. It's a nice day today. We got a bunch of people that I don't know yet with us, but we all out here. So I'm just waiting on that cue to go, and then we can go ahead, ride downtown, give y'all some footage of us riding and stuff like that, just vibing and shit. It's like a couple of cars starting to line up, but just stay tuned, man. I'll give y'all that footage, man. All right. What up? This is your boy AB, man. I'm back, man. We just hit a location on Roosevelt and Wabash, man. We got some YouTubers from out of town. Go ahead and take a look at it. They back in town. Still talking shit? Huh?
Oh, yeah.
You still talking shit?
Oh,
which
still
one?
popping my shit.
Oh no.
I'm popping my shit
You
for
still
sure.
popping your shit, huh?
Oh, yeah.
Y'all
We
back,
at
huh?
Gatfest. This is the lineup at Gatfest. We
Oh, yeah?
lining this shit up.
Oh, y'all too? Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
40 road, 40 road.
Ooh,
We ain't even ready.
Yeah?
We ain't ready.
He ain't ready? Oh, I like this one right here. Yeah, this one nice right here. Yeah, this one nice. up, little man? What's going on, y'all? Y'all see it? Y'all see it? Man, I ain't see my boy yet. They back from out of town. We got a little line up. There ain't nobody playing no music right now, so we won't get copywritten. Y'all see it, man. That red eye thing. My boy, what's good, fool? What's going on, baby?
Good to see you,
man. It's good to see y'all, man. It's always a pleasure, man. Welcome to the city. You already know what it is, boy.
Bro, we ain't been down to the city for real.
Yeah, not for real, right? Yeah.
I'm excited,
Man, well, y'all down in the heart of downtown right now, man.
Okay.
I seen you been doing your thing, man.
Yes, sir.
I'm trying to be like you when I get big, man.
Nah, bro. I'm trying to be like you. Stop it.
Hey,
Stop
man.
it.
I be following your TikToks, man.
Yeah, for sure. My shit dirty right now.
Man, it's all good. My shit dirty too. My shit stay dirty. Y'all see, man. Y'all see the boy, man. Life is thorough. Y'all go and subscribe to his page. Follow him on Snap, Facebook, YouTube, all that good shit. Yes, man. How long did y'all take to get down here?
Shit, probably like 4 hours, but we had to stop and get some shit.
Yeah.
Big dog.
Look at Swerve happy.
Yeah, my boy.
All love out here, ain't it,
Yeah,
Swerve?
for sure.
Welcome to the city, baby.
Yes,
Yeah, this is our city, man.
Man.
Boy, it got cold.
Yeah, it
did get cold.
got cold
But
down
it's
here.
cold. It's cold in Cincinnati too. So
It is? Yeah, it is. I was just talking to my boy in Ohio.
Next
Yeah.
gonna be hot though, bro.
Yeah.
We go to St. Louis? Hot.
Oh, he just got a car wash, huh? Yeah, he just got his car wash. Yep. Yes, sir. I don't see him yet, but where the hell he go? Oh, pouring the ground and shit. Ooh. Yeah, I like it. I like it, bro. Yes, sir. That's the owner of it. That nigga called. Man, my boy CJ called me P Diddy. Okay, so now I'm gonna give him a name, and hey, y'all drop a comment in the box below, man. What name we gonna give CJ? Since CJ called me P Diddy, I gotta think of a name for CJ. So y'all drop a comment in the box below and let me know what name we gonna give CJ. We gonna call him who we gonna call him? We can't call him Notorious Big. So we'll think of a name. Y'all drop a comment in the box below.
Hey man, let me know.
And y'all let me know, man. Just stay tuned, alright? Oh man, this is your boy AB, man. I'm back. Had a nice little time, man. We rolled around downtown, went to Wrigleyville, met up with a couple of other YouTubers from Cincinnati, Ohio. Damn, man. It was kind of decent. EC had a nice little car little pull up and park event. I can honestly say, man, today was a cool little day. Got to ride around Wrigley Field downtown, cruise down Lakeshore Drive. Chicago, man, I don't know, man. I'm willing to argue with anybody who got the best city, like downtown, lakefront, or something like that. I'm willing to argue with you guys. Besides all the killings and the crime and stuff like that, man, Chicago probably the #1 city in my heart. I'm not being biased because I'm from Chicago, but if you chill downtown, you just hang around downtown, you cruise around the Lakeshore Drive and all that stuff, you'll fall in love with Chicago, man. But boy Tad, man, I had a long day, had to get up early this morning at 7 o'clock to go to work, stuff like that, and then trying to give you guys a little more footage, a little content and stuff like that, man. Hope y'all appreciate this video. Stay tuned, you know what I'm saying? I got more and more stuff coming on the way, but just stay tuned, man. Your boy out here grinding, man. Hope y'all appreciate it. Thank you for all the love that y'all guys been giving me so far, man. Let's try to get to 5,000 subscribers. You know what I'm saying? Man, I don't know what else to say, man. I'm tired, about to get some sleep, man. But until the next episode, next video, man, This your boy AB and that thing, and I'm out.